Baba Ijesha was released from prison on the 14th of November, and his wife don't born already. Una we don't work for prison before, una we don't go prison before, una we don't visit prison before, una we they go prison regularly. They give una conjugal rights.
Gbogbo àwọn tó bá wọn lọ sí prison Nigeria, inú prison yẹn tó máa ń kó gbogbo wọn sí bí ẹja yẹn, ibẹ̀ kọ́ ló máa ń kó gbogbo wọn sí tó bá ṣe ní owó ni, level by level ni. Tó bá lọ fẹ́ privacy, wàá sanwó yàrá kan. Baba Ijesha wọ́n fi sí special place because ó ń sanwó ẹ̀ ni. Tó bá yẹ pé gbà yẹn ni sí olùmí, nígbà yẹn lọ́jọ́ ń dóra wọn kọ́. Tí gbogbo yín sọ pé kò lè possible.
14th of November to 15th of November, 1 month. 15th of January, 2 months. February, 3 months. March, 4 months. April, 5 months. May, 6 months. June, 7 months. Ṣé na premature na she born? Àbí baba Bluetooth di belle?
Ẹ confirm àwọn tó wà níbi tí wọ́n ti Baba Ijesha mọ́. Ìgbà wo ni Baba Ijesha jáde?
Na lie. You'll be deflecting left and right. Oh, Daddy Freeze is a devil. Oh, Daddy Freeze is stupid. See, you can say that what I said was insensitive, and I apologize for the insensitivity of it. But I was angry, and my anger or the insensitivity did not remove it as truth. It's truth. Truth is truth. Truth is truth. Ask yourself, I want to ask you, did I lie? All the things I said, did I lie? Nathaniel Bassey is there at the burial of a 40-year-old blowing trumpet. If it makes sense to you, it bothers me. It bothers me if it doesn't make sense to you, or it makes sense to you that I said it's not him I was expecting to hear. They abuse me. See, you need to understand that that's the only way these pastors can fight back, by hiring influencers. It's simple. It's simple. Remember what happened when John the Baptist told Herodias and Herod the truth? You know what happened when John the Baptist told Herodias and King Herod the truth? See, hate me all you want, but the moment, because of your hatred towards me, you are now denying yourself the truth, then you're just going to, it's just stupidity. You should not have said it, you should not have said it like this, not have said it like this, not have said it like this. So which day is that truth going to come out? Which day are we going to tell ourselves the truth? Which day? See, I'm not responding to anybody. I'm responding to everybody. I'm not responding to any particular person. I'm responding to everybody. And my response is simple. Did I lie? That you are looking for sentiments. Oh, Daddy Freeze is stupid. Oh, Daddy Freeze is senseless. Oh, Daddy Freeze is immature. Oh, is that what Daddy Freeze should say? Did he lie? Did Daddy Freeze lie? Did he lie? Answer me, did I lie? Did I really? As in, you sit down with your conscience. You sit down with your conscience. And you can say to me that I lie. Someone said, Daddy Freeze, please leave it to God, for who sees it all to judge by himself. Don't play God. Edith Okigbo, I'm going to read Bible for you. Because it is that level of stupidity that you are exhibiting that they use to drench a whole country in this poverty that we are in. The Bible does not say leave judgment to God. This is what the Bible says. Who can read Bible for me? I need somebody to come and read Bible for me. I need somebody to come and read Bible for me. I hereby submit this Bible verse. 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 12. Can you guys all see it? What business is it of mine to judge those outside the church? Are you not to judge those inside? A clearer rendition is New Living Translation. It isn't my responsibility to judge outsiders, but it is certainly your responsibility to judge those inside the church who are sinning. It is your responsibility. The Bible clearly says it, Edith Okigbo. The Bible says you should judge those who are in the church that are sinning. The Bible clearly says that is lying a sin. Yes or no? Answer me. Is lying a sin? Is lying a sin? Inside sinners. If a pastor tells you I can raise people who don't buy or people with sick and they can't do it, what do you do? So, it's very simple. I get 50 registered cripple. May they can't heal them. May Nathaniel can't heal them. Then I will now apologize. It's as simple as that. There's no fight there. God bless you, Henry. But like I said, I don't get a problem with anybody. My own be say, may Nathaniel can't hit the fifth. You see, I'm not going to look at the smoke screen. I'm not going to look at the muddy water. My eyes are on the prize. And the prize is simple. Can they heal? The answer is no. Goat meat. Ofe wonderful soup. So let's come to today's topic. How are people doing? So, you see, Baba Ijesha wife don't get belly. Or she don't born. Which day Baba Ijesha come out for prison? Casey Fabulu said, you are a big liar. How do you type, I am a big liar, without typing my big lie? Maybe if you go call person liar, you go say, you are a big liar because of this. The big liars are there. You go to their churches every Sunday. Yeah, the fees, I wish to come online and ask you a question. Oh yeah? Somebody wants to ask me a question, though. Make I indulge them. No, it's annoying. I am paying too, but you are making it seem like I have something against Nat. I have something against him. And every pastor that says they can heal people.
Can you see me, Daddy Freeze?
I can't see you, brother. What's up?
Good evening. Let me go off and try and come back again. Maybe I don't know what's happening.
All right, brother.
Go out, then I'll send a request again.
Mm-hmm. See the juiciness of the tozo. Ah, this tozo too sweet. Why am I eating late? It's just soup and Coke Zero. I know it's late for even that, but I've been so busy the whole day. So the young man that wanted to ask me a question, where is he? Okay.
Yeah.
How far, brother? I can see you now, bro. I do. Good evening, brother. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yes. So that the question I want to ask actually, like you're talking about raising somebody from death, is, pardon me, I'm not just like, I'm just want to know, because asking a question is not a bad thing. Only maybe if I ask the wrong question, you can correct it. I want to know, does it really mean that outside Nigeria, can any other pastor perform miracle that would be real, or you only have a challenge in our society, which is Nigeria?
When they discovered the cure for malaria, was it not replicated? They discovered it in China. A woman called Tu Youyou got half of the Nobel Peace Prize for the discovery of artemisinin. That's what they used to do many of your malaria drugs today. My problem is there are standardized tests. You understand? The standardized test, like the Anambra State Governor, Soludo, God be with him, and I swear to you, if Soludo runs for president, I will vote for him. Because I've seen that he's one of the only people in this country that can think. He arrested some fake pastors and said, okay, bail yourself. The only way you can bail yourself is by healing a blind person. The pastors are still in prison today. It's simple. It's simple. So,
Then actually, are there some prayers that you have prayed to God and He answered you? Have you made some prayers to God that He answered you, maybe when you are or something?
Yeah.
So God can actually answer prayers, right?
And when you walk towards it.
Yeah. Let him learn. Let's see where he's going with it.
No, I'm asking, I want to know, because like I said, I want to know if he's only having the challenge in our church, because like Bible even said this on the last day, like will have some big prophets, you understand? So but so we on the last day that we definitely will have some big prophets.
These ones are not even fake prophets. These ones are just businessmen, in my opinion.
Okay, but are there some real ones that you can say by yourself in Nigeria that you can mention, like say, this person is a true man of God? Do you have people like that in your mind?
I cannot show you what is right, but I can show you what is wrong. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I don't know the true yardstick of a man of God, but I can tell you for free that our miracle and testimonies are mostly engineered. Mostly engineered. I'm not saying anybody's fake. I'm just saying that I actually want to believe that they can heal. That's why I have 50 cripples waiting on standby. Do you understand?
I can understand you. I understand.
It is simple.
Well,
A pregnant woman does not need to tell you that she's fertile. Hello? Have you ever met a pregnant woman before trying to prove to you that she's fertile? The belly is there, is evidence. Abby?
It's obvious.
The belly is there. A pregnant woman cannot say, as I am, like I'm very fertile. The evidence is there. I don't believe that. God bless you, Edith. Mostly engineered. So, see here. They always say all sorts of things. And these people are very wicked. Hiring influencers up and down to fight me. It's so simple. Just heal one person and I've lost the battle. All this that I feel is stupid, I feel is stupid. They know people don't like me. Why? Because I went against religion. So they are going to insult me. Standard. But if you join them and insult me, which is okay, just listen to what I'm saying first. If it doesn't, you can insult me whether it makes sense or not because you don't like me. But don't ignore the words. You can ignore the bearer of the message. You can insult the bearer of the message. When you ignore the message, that's where the problem is. Forget about me. We started a movement. And one of the things with movements is...
You know, sorry to say, do you know this whole thing? There was something that came into my mind that I've been thinking about since. I've been thinking about, like, we're talking about Asapis of songs.
I don't want us to talk about that again, so we don't sound insensitive. I've said what I said. Let's move on. Let's not sound insensitive to a mourning family.
My brother, let me just chip in something. See, as that we as a day, probably a lot of people might not understand him, probably because of what he represents. He's a very good person. And there are basic principles on ground. He does not like you claiming what you are not, if I can put it that.
Thank you.
So that is, don't claim what you got. See, there's something we call, he mentioned something now that can it be replicated? There's what we call standardization. There's an organization in Nigeria called SON, Standard Organization of Nigeria. There are things that you can do, and then you have to show proof. See, if you want to get ISO certification, you have to show workings from inception or initiation to completion. How you work that thing and how it came about, the results you are presenting to people. so that you can have a standard. And that is what. So when you go, there are processes to being ISO certified. So those things you will tell ISO on your own with your own mouth. These are the things I can do. This is what I want you to call me, and they will accept it from you and come and verify you whether all those things you claim you can do or you are doing are things you are actually doing. Do you know? It's not ISO that will come to you. You will be the one that will go to them that I want to get certified. And you will say, this is the steps we do, these are things that. So periodically they will come and check you and check the results of your products. So if you have said you have healed somebody 6 months ago and the person is still on crutches after 6 months, then there's no way you can pass. Even if you are certified initially, they will decertify you. Do you get it? So many people have come up with a lot of claims that cannot be verified or cannot be certified. That is as simple as what DMV. If you say, oh, you are a pastor, or you are, how do I put it, a teacher, you are a motivator, you are a consultant, nobody will have any issue. But once you now claim that, oh, you perform one miracle, and you cannot verify it, you cannot certify it. If you put it under proof, under evidence, and subject it to empirical scrutiny, it will fail. Then it will now become something like, okay, it won't be your word against my word again. It will now be like, okay, you have said something like this, and it's not like that. There are times that some questions are yes and no. Because when you get to court, you say, did you do was this one crippled 6 months ago? I say yes. Today, is it working or is it still crippled? I say it's crippled. Then you have not done anything. It's not about faith. Now, if you have taken paracetamol yesterday and it worked for you, so many people know paracetamol cannot work, cannot heal their headache or feverish condition again. So there are other or stronger anti-malaria or pain reliefs that have been researched and they are introduced to the market that has really worked. So I'm just using this analogy to show that, okay, when you perform miracle or when you perform some things or you claim to be somebody like this and you are not that person, then it's not only that we have to prove or the audience or people that are watching you have to prove. You too have to show workings, because there will be a time somebody will call you and say, yeah, show workings, show evidence. There was one woman that had gone to about 4 or 5 churches. We saw the woman, 5 different pastors tried to heal her.
God bless you, brother.
Yes. You say what?
I said, God bless you, brother.
So that woman, her hand will roll like this, I roll, and she will bring it out, and then the hand will straighten afterwards, and then she will cash out and go to another church. And I don't know how she was doing it, that people are different. This thing is on the internet now. They saw her in one church last week. In another month, they saw her in another church doing the same thing. How many miracles will she need for her hand to get her full healing? And that woman today, that hand has been still like that. We saw it online. And that is why we have to be very critical of some of these things, because yeah, we will say we should have faith. Somebody will say, it's by faith you get your healing. If it's by faith, then definitely all the faith we have had in this country, you are supposed to have been healed.
Let me ask you a question. If you say it is faith, by faith, brother, and because we have another topic and I want us to go to our topic today. If we truly have faith, and we have men of God that see vision, how can we have those children still in the bush? Make men of God know where they did. Somebody say unbelievers that know nothing about the spirit will just be talking with so much confidence. TT 23:35. I am not an unbeliever. For me to establish my belief and understand my belief, I studied scripture in original languages. You are the unbeliever. Because if you truly believe your words, every time Christ spoke, the scripture say, the scripture say, the scripture say. Even the devil quotes the scripture. You are quoting sentiment and emotion. An unbeliever does not. What are the things of the spirit? What are the things of the spirit? Mobad is still in the mortuary. You are telling me the things of the spirit. They think that being foolish makes one a believer. God bless you, John.
That's the phrase. When you are calling people that you want to call me, you know I'm using wheelchair. Have you forgotten me? You remember me?
You are using wheelchair. Yes, I remember now. Where are you now? Where are you now?
I'm still in France.
Hey, God. I wish you were around.
You are in France.
I wish you were around. Because, you see, do you know why I like this gentleman? Most of the people that I know that are crippled can't talk, cannot express themselves too well. So, I would like this guy. I will to say I get money, I for buy ticket for him. May he come Nigeria. May he follow go.
No, Daddy, I'm coming very soon. I will love this. I will definitely come and get you.
Next month. Now 3 days I give them. Max, I go stretch out to 1 week. I know say they no fit do anything. You understand?
Okay.
I feel bad. I feel bad.
Sorry, brother, about the condition.
Sorry, my brother. I remember you.
As you are outside the country, your life will be more complete than some people that have 2 legs in Nigeria.
Yes.
The facility that will make you comfortable are there and provided.
Bro, do you know how many sick people I have? You don't forget that girl, Lynn, where they read Bible for me. This one's no say they don't connect me. Hey, Mogbe. Qualex. He no say don't. He send me request.
You can easily drive. You can do a whole lot. You can do so much without so much.
You're correct. Let me tell you. We have a special boss. Like me myself, if I don't enter normal commercial bus with people, I have a special boss that comes to my house and pick me up anywhere I want to go. So
already planned.
Show you they see life.
It's because it's not a miracle.
Kanu Ugochukwu said, failed man of God. Obedience just always have to show themselves. Obedience just have to show themselves. Brother Shupo, how are you doing?
Community Road.
How far?
I'm good. I want to join them. Let's come and bring that location. I want to do this. Continue on Okunaja Community Road for 1.5 kilometers.
You said you have dislocation or what?
I have a dislocation now. 4.2 meters dislocation on my hip. If they can do it, I'll be happy.
Now, hospital they go do that one.
And that is, did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Please, I'm begging.
Anytime, no, I don't pencil you down. Even Shupo don't send me message, say anytime they are ready. Anytime they are ready.
That's how I lost my mom. Almost 15 years ago. That church I used to sell daily devotional. I used to sell daily devotional. Went to the school. Carried my mom there for almost 6 months. Back up and nothing came. As the question God was lying to people everywhere.
Shupo, Let me tell you a story. There were 2 blind boys that we sent to school.
I remember now. That was there.
They came to Free Nation. One of them told us, this was, Jiga too knows this story. One of them is a musician. He said he was losing his eyesight to glaucoma. They told him to use medicine. He said he would pray out of it. His sight now deteriorated to he could only see 15%. His vision was left with like 15%. That's how they prayed for him and poured anointing oil in his eye. The vision reduced to 7%. This thing was done live. We gather money for we help
The guy is in Abuja now. We still communicate.
Yeah, me too. I talk to him from time to time. God go help all of you now. See roots. You see, now notice that most of the people that are attacking us are women. Most of the people. So when somebody comes and says, Daddy Freeze, you are stupid, I don't care about all that. I know am I stupid? I know I'm not stupid. And I know you know I'm not stupid. It's just that that's what you can say to win in the clouds area. But me, I will tell you one thing. Just heal one of the 50 people. That's all. That's all we are asking for. Just heal one person. Simple. It's not a quarrel. It's not a fight. Just heal one person.
It's not too much to ask.
I don't.
Nobody say they respect pastors more than their husbands. Like I said, nothing could concern me. Anything you want to do with your life is up to you. But my own is the lies, the deception, and the delusion is too much. Now let us come back home to our original topic. I want to bring more people, but let's start with the people in the house here. They say Baba Ijesha wife don't born. How una see him?
Good night. Thank you.
Good night, brother.
Yes.
I want to ask, I don't know anybody who understands the Nigerian prison system. I don't know anybody who understands the Nigerian prison system.
Remember, can tell anything can happen in Nigeria. Only there's country can miss.
Is it possible in Nigeria?
Have you forgotten a social life that had a preferential treatment?
Of course, it might not be.
Anything can happen.
It might not be official. There are so many under the table dealings.
It might not be official. It might be under the table
Arrangements. It's possible.
Let me tell you.
That's the only way it can happen. At least not throwing any tantrum and saying it's not a baby.
You still
not
do
a baby. That means they're consensual.
Okay, remove that stuff.
So somebody even claimed on Instagram, I look for it, that they were just trying to manage it, that the wife gave birth in March. That was like 3 months ago. I saw that on Instagram today.
The wife gave back in March, not
What's the wife's handle on Instagram?
Somebody said so that they are just trying to manage the situation, so that the lady, they're just bringing the news out now. I don't know how true that one is, but
My question is,
let's go by the one we have that is popular.
my question is, somebody that was convicted because of a eventual offense. Anyway, people make mistakes and But like I said, forgiveness, he has learned. You understand?
We can even play I can play devil's advocate here.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible that probably the same kid, the baby is premature, born in the 7th month, and probably the baby is being incubated right now? We don't know. Is it possible? They are not, because they didn't come up with any other information that will help us navigate what actually happened. And I believe they too must have prepared for whatever backlash. That's why they threw out the story there for us to debate, or if that's the word.
I want women to come online and join us in this conversation. Let us get some women in the house. Let's get some women. What do you think? Oh yeah. And you bring a dasty or I'm looking for
Let me drop, so
okay, God bless you. Africa.
On a good day, if there is anything to investigate, it's possible. If there is any need for any investigation, there are records on who visited during the time it was, at least surely as the wife or the partner, a record will be there that okay, so period she visited. If it falls within that period, then our suspicion can be real, it's possible, it may not be possible, but November to date is not enough period for you want to conceive and then keep back. Except, like I said, if the baby is premature baby.
But premature 6 months. Premature of 6 months.
7 months.
No, 7 months is now. That's your Am I the one that is not thinking straight?
Please.
Darling, me, how far?
I'm fine.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh yeah, what are your thoughts? On light now, shake with when command noni.
Daddy, please.
They use light swear for you.
Daddy, please, money no. Oh, what do you mean?
Okay, come for a few minutes while you are here.
Oh, auntie Tom.
No,
Daddy, please is
we
on.
can't see you.
I can see you.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Let's hear you. Let's hear you. Yeah, talk.
7 months is possible. Preterm. Yeah, Daddy, freeze is possible.
Preterm.
Yeah, 7 months. I'll be chatting.
Eh.
7 months, Kobodo. You mean health-wise, on health plans, you can bring the baby out 7 months.
I agree with you.
It's possible, Sha. But show me 7 months, Sha. That means now you are telling me that Ijoto Jade lo follow you.
Daddy freeze.
Láti pé 7 months.
Shine touch for them.
Magbo. That means pé, let's calculate it. Omaliche. Why can't you talk while driving? Obere ranu.
But the baby is bigger than 7 months. It doesn't matter.
Let me ask you a question. That means pé, bó ṣe lọ lé ńjọ́ yẹn ló rọ̀jò síbẹ̀. You understand? Láti day one ló ti rọ̀jò síbẹ̀. Because if he was released according to the news, if he was released on the 14th of November 2015, Dekaka, 15th of November 1 month, 15th of January 2 months, 15th of February 3 months, 15th of March 4 months, 15th of April 5 months, 15th of May 6 months, 15th of June 7 months. Now, sorry, 14th of June. Today is the 16th. Oye 7 months 2 days ago. Ọmọ tó bá bí ní 7 months máa wà ní incubator. Preterm, baby Freeze was born 7 months. He was in incubator for like 2 weeks.
Where am I?
Oh, really?
So I don't know. Maybe I'm the one that is not getting it right. Abi, make I bring Jigga.
Daddy, please bring a medical practitioner.
Where are all my doctors? I can't see any of them.
A medical practitioner. But 7 months is possible.
No, you can let's bring a pastor.
Now, it is normal abroad. It's called conjugal rights and conjugal visits.
This is, of course.
It is normal. But is it normal in Nigeria? Okay, DP official 1, I'm a doctor. Please send us a request. Let me bring you live.
Even that one abroad is not an open-ended thing. It's not like, it has to go through a lot of approvals.
Boss, you say you be doctor. All right.
Oh, they don't pick me.
I don't pick you now. You say you be doctor. Pity, I don't call you tired. I do like, where you did? Yeah. No. Yes, that time I'm so sorry. I'll explain to you everything started a day, or I was really running up and down trying to sort out 50 things.
You don't hear me, man. Daddy Freeze.
Mark, but pick, because you two know the.
Daddy Freeze, do you hear me?
We can hear you. Daddy Freeze is on call.
Oh yeah, I can hear you. Are you a doctor?
First of all, I'm not a doctor, so.
Oh yeah, press X.
I have like a experience concerning 7 months. So, my wife had 2 miscarriages before. So there was a time she had 1 miscarriage at 5 months and some weeks. So the doctor said, if we can manage for the pregnancy to get to 7 months, she will be able to give birth. At that time, we were still trying to like make sure the baby was alive. But at the same time, we lost the pregnancy. We tried to deal. We lost it at 5 months and some weeks. That was when one doctor came to tell us that anytime she's pregnant, we should do this sacrilege or whatever thing that we did. So anytime she's pregnant, she has given birth to 2 children after that time now. So anytime she's pregnant, we do this surgical distance sacrilege. So what I want to say is that in essence, it's possible for Baba Ijesha to have that pregnancy within that 7 months. But that aside, why are we so sure that these people are not meeting while Baba Ijesha was in prison? How are we so sure? And also, now inside this social media we play, where they talk say they arrest each money, that time, Baba, that the fees, you know, H money now. When the tweet of the H money, that time the Hush Pop said, when the of the H money, they built estate while he was in jail. Now, inside this Nigeria, we still there. So there are a lot of things that can happen while someone is in prison. And also, this lady, this Baba Ijesha in question, what did people really want from him? She make him come out from jail, make him kill himself, make him buy himself, I'll be waiting happen.
Which is true.
Because he has
served his time.
His jail time, and he's back, make him not live in life. That is the question I want to ask you. Because now this social media we did, there's a CEO go meet IBT for jail. They did together now. Now this social media we did, maybe I say, sorry, you cannot mention him. They one Kiniko Alagbo go they do Kiniko with your husband. Now this social media. So wait till they surprise people now. Now here are the child asks, why are people surprised? Why are people surprised that this kind of thing is going to happen? That is my question. Because Baba Ijesha na spec, now fine man, he's sick only, he's fine. So waiting people they really expect. To me, so no disrespect for women. No disrespect for women. No disrespect for women. But if you like say now today, women today give themselves that kind of hype we I won't understand. Because if they look at it, they say, they're going to say, Baba Ijesha to that. Waiting, oh yeah, how you take Baba Ijesha to that? Waiting to Baba Ijesha. Now the cap.
My brother, you see, that is when this social media has brought a lot of things to the fore. You see, it's not about whole symbol, it's not about him in particular. It's about
what are you saying? Okay, hold on, sir. Sorry, now. Before this lady in question get pregnant for this lady, she's aware that this man is a sex offender. So is a man on Instagram is a sex offender. Sex offender.
Hey, brother.
She knows is an ex-convict. So, and I'm very sure her family will not call and say, you sure, but she still went ahead.
One bench offender, bench.
Don't mix it.
Bench. Sorry.
Don't miss the issue. Seriously, it's not about. Nobody has criticized Baba Ijesha for that, and everybody is sympathized with him. At least a lot of people. And when he came out, so many people rejoiced with him. It's not about him or that angle now.
I'm just checking how possible is it.
How possible it is that
It's very possible. It is very possible.
Now, calm down. Okay. They're not saying it's not possible. Before you came on board, I've said that it's possible. If it's preterm, premature, anything is possible. It might not even be his own. We don't know, and he accepts his wife like that. So nobody is quoting anything. But they are giving us half story to run with. A whole lot of people are debating it. I've said it now. And somebody even said on Instagram today that the baby came in March. You don't know what narrative will bring up, and that is why you see in between yesterday and today, in the last 24 hours, history has gained momentum. Seriously, and people are asking different questions. It's not
what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say is that once it comes to women issue, women decision, we will not feel put mouth because now this social media will day. Where sorry to say when Moyolawa level the trend that time. Another Instagram party said, see go bench that same man. Even this one celebrity with the trend now says, see go bench that same man. Nothing will they surprise us for again. So if you be saying this lady in question, they enter that way, go meet Baba Ijesha, go bench themselves. So if it's possible,
we have not. Nobody has said that yet. Nobody has even mentioned something like that, and nobody has.
Now we don't do for the social media. We don't know many things for the social media, so nothing is surprise us again.
We don't have any right to accuse anybody of what we don't know the story. We're just saying.
Yes, I'm just that. My question is, what is Baba Ijesha? What is Baba Ijesha offense? What has he done
maybe on another platform.
Nothing.
But you
Nothing.
give us
They are
your
adults.
own form of experience, which we appreciate so much. You have done, you give another insight into what you have said, and it's very sensible. And
it's very possible.
So we are not saying Baba Ijesha has done anything, or no, we're just so.
Done anything? No. They are adults. This is
Even
the
if
best
you say
they
that,
want to do with.
okay, let me give you an example. If a 6-month-old baby started talking now, won't you ask questions? 6-month baby, they talk. I mean, it's not AI. It's also it's several things. If somebody is born, they say the baby comes with tribal mark or comes with some marks. You have to ask, how is it possible? As it happened before, these are things we are doing. We are not saying, no, we are not castigating anybody or anything like that. This just okay. We want to know how sure or how.
Because even today, if I check my browser, today I went on Google. I went to when Baba Ijesha was released. I saw November 14 or thereabout. So I was like, I'll ask myself question. Then the next thing I noticed that but now today people they go jail, maybe say they will go pressure for jail. So it they happen where. So that was why I was of the opinion whether
it is not legal in Nigeria.
Is it not legal in Nigeria?
But it is not today we hear say they lock people for jail and they hotel they sleep. That today.
See, does that make it normal or right or legal?
It is not normal. It is not normal. But there is corruption in the system. There's corruption in the system.
When there is corruption, do we not make it a norm? We are not saying it. So you are the one saying all this is. We are not. We see.
Because when you are in Rome, you act like a Rome. That is a Rome, and that is it. We are in Nigeria. We know what is going on. We know what is going on. When we are in Rome, you act like a Rome. Then a Rome and I become we know Nigeria system. We know Nigeria system. We know Nigeria. We know how it works. So, if we force people this lady, they get VIP level. They go pressure.
You go follow them, carry the money.
I'm not a corrupt person. I'm not in Nigeria for that matter. So I'm not in Nigeria. So I don't believe in what they do in that Nigeria.
We don't go to sack and then do whatever everybody is doing.
I'm just saying that system in Nigeria is fucked up. That is messed up.
No. Sorry. Messed up. It's messed up.
Sorry.
You can see
that system in Nigeria is messed up. I'm just saying that because these are the possibility of this thing to happen. It's very sure to make this thing happen for Nigeria. It's very sure. Now today, even sorry to say, even they say they lock this guy when they do like this in the locker. They say that hotel in the sleep. Now today, not with today we hear all those things now. Now today, not with today now.
That is why people are wondering. It's just like say you won't go London now. You don't get visa. And you enter London. People will be like, how did you do it?
But person they give these people they give person visa for 2 shoes now. They say, oh your shoe, that's your visa.
So if tomorrow now you see you for London, I say, you don't go embassy, you don't get visa. How do you get to London? So we will now ask, okay, those things where about the grandmother they do where we call it pay or afraid, is it still working? Oh, it's like
maybe I joined the program late, but I was just like trying
They are not criticizing them.
Even when I told about my wife, we were saying, oh no, go take 7 months. We were just praying that this program should just get to us. But at the end of the day, we lost the two in miscarriage. And then when we were introduced to this sacrilege, that's why I know. We have to see. Now my daughter they sleep so here. So we have like so
a 7 months old embryo is almost fully formed.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's after 120 days that soul enter into the embryo. So after 120 days,
It's formed already. 7 months we survive.
He has a almost fully formed. So it's after 120 days, the soul will enter into somebody, to the embryo's body, and then start breathing on his own. So these are steps. So when it gets to 7 months, yeah, it's possible, but there still be some things that are not strong enough. So if there are things that medically that will be maybe any assistance for the baby at 7 months or the embryo at 7 months, yeah, it's possible. You put the embryo in incubator for maybe another 6 weeks or another 6 weeks, and then the baby is born. There shouldn't be any issue about that. We understand that process, and we'll say it that way. Oh, there are people that will give birth and will still be in the hospital for another 30 days. I've seen it before that. So even at 9 months, they will say there are complications. The baby will still have to stay in the hospital. And after 7 weeks, we were preparing to do maybe ceremony after 7 days. He could not. You understand? Until the baby came out. So there are different things that we have to weigh, and then so just like I mentioned, if someone does not have visa and the person enters America tomorrow, and Trump has said he's not giving visa to people of this continent or some countries. So how did you do it? If not your friend, you go ask, and that is just, and it's out there. It's not somebody gossiping.
I understand. It's fine. Now the freeze is out. Thank you.
Well done.
7 months, no be embryo again.
Sir?
7 months, no be embryo again.
You know,
Now full pikin.
now full picking, yes,
Full picking.
full picking, of course.
At the freeze, look for medical practitioner.
Where are all the doctors?
Look for doctors.
Doctor.
Traditional doctor.
Native doctor.
Medical practitioner.
Where are all the doctors? I used to have a lot of doctors before.
They don't know. Nobody wants to plants.
What is that law?
Nobody wants to plants.
They don't run.
But 7 months is actually possible.
7 months is very possible. Very possible.
Very
And like somebody said,
No, I don't say, okay, let's say after 7 months, the baby is born. Will you do naming ceremony immediately?
No.
naming ceremony na 8 days.
They just showed us shoots.
No, let me
They didn't even show us the baby. It was just shoots.
Issues, okay.
It was just normal baby shoots. Nothing. No naming ceremony.
Where is the person I just invited now?
So it's just shoot. People were just shocked. Like, Really?
But I want to ask you, is it bad that he's moving on with his life?
It's not bad though. And people happy for him. Who do you want to leave him for?
What to be yabai?
Daddy Freeze, who you gonna leave her for? She's happy. He's happy. They are adults. You know it's a friend. And you are cool with him. Go ahead. No be people they marry thieves. No be people they marry Olosho. No be people they marry criminal. Who they want leave her for? I beg. The man tough, fresh, fine. Who without sin should cast the stone? Just because his own is open. Now, what did they do for them? Where they he don't do. He don't serve in daytime. He don't come out. So she move on. We can't just because of cancel it on now. He has legs. But who won't leave her for?
And we happy for them.
I'm equally happy. Oh. I'm happy.
Are you really happy, or you are just saying that?
The lady is cool with him. Him is equally cool with the lady. But maybe we should not share hear story that touch later, which I'm not praying for. They should just be cool. And may they not come tomorrow saying that content.